got a very special let us in. It's not just a home, it's a whole damn resort. We've been asked by Renaissance Uluwatu to come and take a look through their digs. This place is massive. I can't wait to show you through it, but it's gonna take us ages, so I better get started. And now I just need to figure out how to get off this swing. Ready? It's not gonna be glamorous. Let's go. Good morning. Oh,
Yes, are you ready?
well, I'm ready. Oh, thanks for saving me the walk. Have a good day. Oh my gosh, look at this place. Oh my goodness, would you look at this view? Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Looking out over the Langan Beach, the bar. Hello! Ah, thank you. Terima kasih. Let's go down to the pool. Thank you. This is pretty cool. Sun is on. This place is absolutely massive. It's like serious party out here. Look at this place and look at the sheer size of this building. Oh my gosh, I'm hot. I think we should go inside again. Now, where was I? Oh, yeah. Look at that beautiful loom. I love that concept. It's a modern loom dining chair. That is really, really cool. Looking out into the pool, open kitchen. More kitchen. Hello. Have a look. Look at all these beautiful ceramics. Are you making anything?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, wow. That was super cool. So they make all their own ceramics here on site. And then you get to eat from them. They're just so beautiful. Should we go find the room? Okay, we're gonna need a buggy. I'm gonna have to call. Tired legs. Hello, could I get a buggy down to the lower pool, please? Thank you. And now we wait. All right, see ya. We're off to the lower pool, please.
Lower pool, yes, please.
Thank you. How are you today?
Thank you. How about you?
Very good, thank you. Check out this Game of Thrones structure out here. Oh, it's a wedding chapel. There's just views everywhere. This place is like a theme park. Get yourself married here. Look out onto the beautiful view. What's not to love? Have a cocktail by the pool. Thank you. Look at this place. Infinity pool, looking out over onto the jungle. This'll do. You know I love an outdoor shower. What? Perfection. All right. Should we go find our room? Let's go find our room. Maybe I'll go this way. We're getting lost. We're getting close, I can sense it. Oh, it's so nice and cool. Ooh, okay, so now we're in a cave. Look at that. Come on. So now we actually are in a cave. This is us. We're here. Look at that big king bed. Oh, looking out onto this very generous balcony. Let's go take a look. Oh, it's so peaceful, so nice. I love the lighting. Kitchen bar scenario here with cupboards. Ooh, robes for robe life because there's no other way to be. And what's this one? Food, the cookies. We've got the cashew nuts. We've got the noodles. We've got the bucket for your wine. Oh my God, here it is. Look at this bath. Is this like an eggshell? Is this what I call this? Oh my gosh. Yep. This is awesome. This is alive. Looking out onto the jungle in an eggshell, surrounded by mad tile artwork. I mean, showering in the nutty. No one can see you. Super private. Just the jungle. Maybe a couple of monkeys. Hit it. Oh, no. There we go. Quite parched after all that walking. Perfect. Okay, let's go take a seat because I am very tired. All right, I'm kind of exhausted. First of all, let's just talk about the sheer scale of this place. This resort is absolutely massive and I am actually quite exhausted and we didn't even cover half of the ground here. Just as soon as you walk in here, that sheer size of that reception, that lobby area, I mean, the height of that is insane. You've got that incredible pendant light hanging over that entire massive, expansive space. And then you're leading you onto that beautiful first bar. And it's not just one bar, there's 3 bars in this whole place. But that first bar, I think it's one of my favorites. It looks out onto that entire view over across the jungle and into Belungan Beach. And then it's also got 3 pools. You've got 2 infinity pools, one at the top, one at the bottom, and also a 3rd pool for the kids. There's 2 restaurants. The main restaurant, Claycraft, which is actually where they serve the buffet breakfast. It's very much of an everyday space where you can go and hang out and get breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They've actually got their own ceramic studio, which is in a central hub, and they make all of their ceramics locally. And not only do they make them, but you can actually go in and you can learn how to make them yourselves. But also, they have local ceramicists that work within the studio and they create the most beautiful pieces, and then you get to enjoy them. You get to choose which beautiful handmade bowl to eat your cereal from in the morning. And I love that. I love that it's all locally crafted and made on site. The other restaurant, a little bit different. That one's just open for dinner and that one has much more of a local theme. It's got that beautiful loom greeting you as you walk in, and it's got that incredible modern weaving idea structure that's created all the way throughout that dining room. I think that's really smart. There's a massive fitness center and gym. There's a sauna, there's a steam room, there's a whole spa, there's a kids complex. There's like 6 entire buildings on this whole thing. It's so big, in fact, you can't just get around here on your tiny little legs. No, they get tired. So complimentary buggy service is provided so you can get from A to B. I mean, what's not to love there? The gardens, when you're traveling around here, are just incredibly beautiful. beautiful. I mean, not only is this area alone beautiful with surrounding jungles, but the gardens on this complex are just heaven. I say this a lot about Bali, but honestly, the people of Bali are just incredible. They are so friendly, they are so hospitable, and this resort is no exception. There are so many beautiful staff and everybody is smiling and wanting to help you. I just absolutely adore it. The rooms are awesome. They're really quite big. They're very generous, awesome king size bed, and those bathrooms and the bath, oh my gosh, it is such an awesome size bath, and it looks out onto a beautiful view of the jungle. The pools are pretty special. The two different infinity pools, I mean, both of them have phenomenal views. You've got two different spaces. I personally like the lower one because it's a bit more chilled, a bit more like zen out. You just like get to hang out there. Perfect spot to have a cocktail. So there's a lot to love about this resort, but I think what I love most are those epic views, the incredible local ceramic studio, and the oh so lush gardens. Hey guys, thanks for watching this very special resort edition of Let Us In. If you liked it, make it official, give us a thumbs up, and let us know what you thought. Give us a comment below, and also make sure you subscribe because we've got plenty more tours where this came from. We'll catch you next time. See ya! What? You're waiting for me to do something stupid for the outtakes? No.
No.